Back on Andrew and Todd's Winnie. We're in the home stretch. We got a lot to do and only a few days to do it, so we're going a little crazy over here. First mission of the day, because one, you can't use a 2-barrel trapeze for the kickdown with the new 4-barrel without a lot of monkeying and screwing around. So we got a low car kickdown cable, got the new low car throttle cable, got the low car bracket. Gonna put all this together so it works nice and seamless. Get rid of a lot of headaches. Right. Transmission kickdown cable, all adjusted and dialed in. See if we can get a shot of it down there on the kickdown. If not, we'll go down there and get it. Oh no, there it is. Focus. Focus. There it is. So that's all dialed in, ready to go. It's all adjusted. Now we need to do our throttle cable. And then we're ready to ride. Right, so our throttle pedal, this would be wide open. This would be throttle closed or idle. That's how our throttle pedal works in here. There's the bracket that the old cable ran through. I'm probably gonna pull that bolt out with a little hanger and drill a hole straight through there to get our throttle cable sheath, so to speak, in there. And then we can just hook her up. Let her ride, baby. So after some creativity and hard work, have our throttle linkage all set up with our throttle cable, our trans kickdown cable, our return springs. Check it out. Alright, Wes is giggling because that's the intake assembly. Goes up and route, and then let me show you the other side. And there's this side. We took that off the original intake and plumbed it to this one, well, the air cleaner assembly. That way we have our fresh air here going in. And then the vacuum for our PCV there. So we've got crankcase ventilation. Proper. But subtle. So a little bit of wiring. We got temp gauge at work.